Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is another messy day. I've got a ton of mess to clean up. It's Sunday and I have been painting furniture for past 2 days. We still have a day off tomorrow, so I wanted to get this furniture painted and so it has time to cure before the daycare kids come back. I've got a front to clean up, put away my mess from painting and from recording, and then over there in the family room I got some cleaning up to do, but I'm going to start upstairs first because I have to get started on some laundry for today and my room is a mess again. So I'm going to take you up there with me and hopefully that will motivate you to do something that needs to get done in you.
I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Emptied out my soul, you've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking into sin. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love?
So the upstairs is tidied, and I have a load in laundry, and I think I still have about 3 loads to do, simply because I do wash my workout clothes separately, because I use let me show you what I use for my clothes. I use the Tide Sport with Febreze. It just gets the stinkies out, and then I use Tide Free and Gentle for underwear and for kitchen rags, and I run those on sanitary cycles. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and see how far we got. I know my husband cleaned the kitchen, my daughter's gonna vacuum the floors, but I still think I have several things to tidy up. So I did my planning last night, so I wouldn't have to do it this morning for the week, so I'm going to tidy up that mess.
I could see this through, I could wait another fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, summer, oh, I know we will be better, better, oh, oh, oh. I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more.
So the kitchen's pretty good. We're just getting ready to cook dinner and make a mess again. And I just have the front left over here. So I'm gonna tidy that up and then take my paint supplies downstairs.